Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering what is group by clause, in clause, are clause, having clause. I will explain all these clauses in detail. Guys, I have uploaded complete DBMS subject tutorials. I provided that link. In description, you can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. In clause is used to check whether a value exists in a specific list of values or not. I'll give one simple example so that you can clearly understand what is in clause. For example, there is table. The table is student table. Student table contains name Sai and department CSC, Ramesh, Department ECE and Suresh, Department MEC. Now I want to check whether any of the records that belongs to CSC and ECE or not. So I'll write select a star from table name, that is student, where department, which is column name. In this department column, I want to check whether CSC and ECE records are present or not. So column name department in open bracket, so include CSC in quotations, comma, EC in quotations, close bracket and give semicolon. Whenever I execute this query, I'll get output, that is name Sai, department CSC, as CSC is present, and next name Ramesh, department ECE. Here star represent all columns, so I'll get all columns as output. Just for example, I want to check whether name Ramesh and Suresh present in my table or not. So I'll write select a star from student where here column name, that is name column, so write name in Ramesh in quotations and Suresh in quotations. Whenever I execute that query, I'll get output Ramesh ECE and Suresh MEC. So in clause is used to check whether particular values exist in records or not. And second one is or clause. Guys, by using or clause, we can combine two or more conditions. Out of all the conditions, if any single condition is true, then I will get output. I'll give example. This is student table. Name Sai, department CSC, Ramesh ECE, Suresh MEC. By using or clause, we can include two or more conditions. So I'll write here select a star from star in all columns from table name, that is student, where department is equal to CSC or other condition, that is department is equal to EC in quotations. Either any single condition is satisfied, I'll get output. So at last give semicolon. Whenever I execute this query, I'll get output, that is at first it will check CSC is present or not. So CSC is present here. So I'll get complete column, that is name Sai, department CSC. So next it will print Ramesh ECE and next it will check MEC. MEC is not present in these conditions. So this is my output. And third one is group by clause. Group by clause is used to group all the rows that have same values. After applying group by clause, we can perform various aggregate functions like count, sum, average, min, max, etc. on particular group which we selected. This student table, name Sai, department CSC, Ravi CSC, Ramesh ECE, Shiva ECE and Suresh MEC. Now I want to count how many times each department is repeated. Here CSC is repeated twice, ECE twice and MEC once. So this is query, select column name, that is department, comma, count star. Guys, where count star column will represent count of each record. That is nothing but how many times each record is repeated. From table name, that is student, group by department. Data will be grouped based on department. So whenever I execute this query, I will get output. First it will print department column and then it will give count. So CSC repeated twice, so output 2 and next ECE 2, MEC 1. This is my output. So by using group by clause, we can group similar values into single value. And fourth one is having clause. Guys, we can apply having clause to group by clause. For example, same example, after grouping similar values in department column, we are printing count. Just after writing this query, I will write having, as I am applying having clause, where count star is greater than 1. That is nothing but only if particular column value is greater than 1, I will get output. So here count, which is greater than 1, that is 2, and ECE, which is greater than 1, that is 2, and MEC count is 1. But I give condition like having count greater than 1, as 1 equal to 1, this is not considered. So I'll get output department CSC count 2, ECE count 2. I'll get only these two records as output. This is all about having clause. Having clause is used to filter groups after applying group by clause.